my name is Danette Lopez, and I'm presenting the Program Evaluation Design. The purpose of this presentation is analyzing the evaluation that will be completed on the History and Science program at Musing Wonders. The topics that will be discussed are the purpose of the evaluation, questions and justifications, the evaluation plan matrix will be explained, data collection procedures, data analysis procedures, reporting procedures, measures and instruments, stakeholders and their responsibilities. The purpose of this evaluation is to also establish the outcome of a program when comparing them to the goals of the original plan, as well as inform stakeholders whether to create operational processes and either abandon or reconfigure ineffective ones. For the evaluation, the following questions are asked. How many visitors explore the History and Science program? How many visitors use the interactive technology to learn about the artifacts and specimens? Do the stakeholders support community events to promote and add funding to the organization? Do visitors' experiences intrigue them enough to return for another experience? How many participants attended the community events? How many stakeholders are actively engaged? These questions are asked are in alignment with 10 indicators. The indicators state the desired percent of the wanted outcomes. Questions support and align the indicators. For example, an indicator may be the number of visitors who interact with the interactive displays, who interact with the artifacts, displays, and activities. The question to align with the indicator is how many visitors explore the History and Science program. I have a base number of visitors who explore the program, which is why I chose that indicator. The evaluation plan matrix. The evaluation plan matrix tells how each question is going to be solved. Question number 1, how many visitors explore the History and Science program? The data source for this question will be Excel sheets, which are documents, with daily totals of ticket sales for 6 months. The data collection will be tracked using Google Sales Tracker. The data will be analyzed through Zendex. The data reporting will be the participatory evaluation reporting. Question number 2, how many visitors use the interactive technology to learn about the artifacts and specimens? The data source will be surveys. The data collection will be through the Musing Wonders website and on-site surveys. The data will be analyzed using Lamona. The data reporting will be participatory evaluation reporting. Question number 3, do the stakeholders support the community events to promote and add funding to the organization? The data source will be interviews. The data collection will be one-on-one interviews. The data will be analyzed using the thematic content analysis. The data reporting will be participatory evaluation reporting. The 4th question, do visitors' experiences intrigue them enough to return for another? The data source will be surveys. The data collection will be through the Musing Wonders website and on-site surveys. The data will be analyzed using Lamoa, and the data reporting will be participatory evaluation reporting. Question number 5, how many participants attended the community events. The data source will be Excel sheets, the documents, with daily totals of ticket sales for 6 months. The data collection will be tracked using Google Sales Tracker. The data will be analyzed through Zendex. The data reporting will be participatory evaluating reporting. The data collection procedures will be one-on-one interviews, online surveys through the website, and on-site surveys. The data analysis procedures will be Excel sheets, and Zendex will analyze. The surveys will be analyzed through Lamoa, and the interviews will be analyzed through the thematic content analysis. The measures. The measures for this evaluation will be the number of visitors served by the program, the number of schools served by the program, number of visitors who explored science programs, science rooms, number of visitors who explored history rooms, change in awareness of science and history topics. The instruments that will be used to collect the data will be interviews, surveys, and documents. The stakeholders are members, funders, volunteers, parents, and students. The stakeholders' responsibilities. Stakeholders' responsibilities are to disseminate and use evaluation findings for program improvement. They are to develop evaluation questions grounded in the insights, experiences, and interests of stakeholders. Stakeholders should also select appropriate and acceptable evaluation methods, as well as identify and prioritize program activities that need to be evaluated. They should review evaluation findings and make appropriate choices. The reporting procedures are to first know who your audience are. During this time of getting to know the audience, the stakeholders should be fully engaged. Then there is the planning stage. During the planning report, for the planning report, you should have the introduction, the executive summary, findings and discussion, and then, of course, interpret the findings. There are my references. Any questions? Thank you.